This Etsy store is making money hand over fist, selling personalized portraits for families, for romantic occasions, for their pets, and they have done 2,000 sales in just under 2 years. And there's no doubt in my mind they are running so many other stores because they have built up a successful strategy that they are implementing across their store. Everything is easily laid out. They have drastically reduced their customer service times, and they are getting so many happy customers every single day. They have unlimited social proof, and their store is just going to keep going up and up and up. And this is how they do it. So we've jumped onto the computer, and as you can see, this is a page that is doing very well. Right? They have a nice little header up here, nice personalized touch, nice logo, and all the relevant information, and they're on the way to becoming a star seller. It's down in the bottom, everything is configured. They have a nice little about section, they have their Instagram, they have their own proper website. So look, they are building up a brand, and that is great because now what they can do is they can target their customers on their website, and now they can get a better cut of the profits and not have to pay Etsy out. So that is something that is always possible down the line with Etsy, right? So let's just have a little look. Look how well laid out everything is. Look at the thumbnails, right? If this is the kind of niche you're in and your thumbnails don't look like this, you need to start changing them. Okay, this is laid out perfect. And if you're wondering how they have this, it's because they pay the monthly subscription to Etsy. So now if we take a look at what actually sells on their website, we'll see it's these family portraits that have just been popping off for them lately, and some dog portraits and some, romantic portraits. So let's take a look at their bestseller. Let's see if we can back engineer this. Let's see if we can get their strategies implemented on your stores. Okay, so first things first, look at that picture. Okay, that picture is perfect. It's a perfect example of what the customer will get and how it will look, nicely framed and so on. The next thing I'm noticing is, look, all these relevant keywords, right? This is exactly what I teach. This is how your title should be. And because they've done so well, Etsy has tagged them for this. So now if we scroll through, they have a nicely edited video, and this is all, that was just stock footage, and this is just, look, this is so easy to do. You could just pay an editor £10 to make something like this for you with just stock footage and some of your work. And then look, they show you how it works. They give you examples. Look, this is what the products end up like, how they work. Okay? And some of these products aren't even relevant to, this. It just gives the customer a bit of a portfolio on any listing they go on, right? So they can see the quality of the work. So if you are doing portraits and posters, that is the kind of thing you should be considering. So here, look at all the options they have available, right? How many people and pets and stuff, they have a big selection. And look, you can get it, framed, unframed, digital download, and so on. Right? So look at all these tags it's got, look at the delivery times they've been able to put in place. And, look at their reviews, right? So the way they are driving traffic is they're getting in front of the right people. Etsy knows their audience, the algorithm has built it up, and now all they need to do is get their correct keywords across all their listings, and now Etsy puts it in the right people for them, right? And look how many happy people there are. So now Etsy is putting the listings in front of the right people, but that doesn't guarantee they're going to click. So how do you get them to click? With a great thumbnail, right? If you're getting lots of views and no visits, look at your thumbnails, right? Would you click that? If not, change it, see what you can do. So now if we scroll down here, they have a pretty basic description, you know, but they answer all of the questions, right? There's nothing special. This is going to all be copied onto across all of their listings, you know, and this is just a bit of a Christmas chat, right? Simple, but they answer common questions in the description. That cuts down on customer service. It cuts down on unnecessary messages. So now the only messages they're going to be getting are for custom orders, questions that haven't been solved, which isn't many, and customers who aren't happy. So there, they've reduced God knows how many hours of customer service a week. Like, nice delivery times. Look how narrow that is. Look at that window, right? That is a nice window. This is what I try and show. Make your windows as narrow as possible. It doesn't have to be as quick as this, but make them narrow and make them accurate. They have free delivery. And where are we? Let's see here. So they don't even have a sale, right? So you will want to have a sale when you're building up. They have a nice 21-day returns. And if we come here, look, you know, they've just built up their reviews and they have unlimited social proof now. And the amount of sales they're going to do a day will be unreal. Right. So that is how they are driving traffic. That is how they are setting things up. And, you know, it's so easy for you to do something like this. They only have 70 listings, right? So now we want to try and work out when they got started. So where was that? February 2021. February 2021 they've been going. You know, 2,000 sales. You know how in nearly 2 years, just under 2 years, you know, they're doing very well. So this is what you can build up on Etsy, and I can guarantee you this isn't his only store. Right, so that is how this person is getting traffic, and they are just dominating. So if you want to see more videos like this of me showing you how successful stores have done it, how they are building up, and how their operations work, drop me a subscribe, give the video a like, and let me know what you want to see.